Today, environmental problems are becoming more serious. Making environmental education increasingly important for young students. One effective way to introduce environmental values in track natural-based learning. This approach allows elementary school students to interact directly with natural track meaningful activities, helping them understand why protecting the environment is important. As a result, natural-based learning plays an important role in enhancing environmental awareness among elementary school students. Firstly, natural-based learning helps students understand environmental concepts through direct experience. Instead of learning only from textbooks, students can observe plants, animals, soil, and ecosystem in real life. This experience makes learning more interesting and easier to remember because students actively participate in the learning process. According to Louis 2008, direct interaction with nature strengthens children's curiosity and builds a stronger connection with the environment. Therefore, students gain a deeper understanding of environmental issues and appreciate the importance of protecting nature. Secondly, natural-based learning encourages students to develop environmentally friendly habits in their daily life. Activities such as planting trees, taking care of school gardens, sparing waste, and saving water teach students that simple action can make a positive difference. Through these activities, they learn to take responsibility for the environment both at school and home. UNESCO 2020 explains that environmental education helps learners develop the knowledge, values, and behaviors needed to support sustainable development. Consequently, students become more responsibility and actively practice in protecting the environment. Thirdly, natural-based learning supports students' social and emotional development while strengthening their environmental awareness. Outdoor activities encourage students to work together, communicate effectively, and solve problems as a team. They also make learning more enjoyable and meaningful because students learn by exploring their surroundings. Fauser and Conrad 2024 also highlight that natural-based learning not only strengthens environmental awareness but also supports social interaction, engagement, and student overall learning experience. As a result, students not only improve their academic understanding but also become more responsible, cooperative, and caring toward the environmental. In conclusion, natural-based learning is an effective approach to enhancing environmental awareness among elementary school students. Through direct experience, students gain a better understanding of environmental issues, develop environmentally friendly habits, and strengthen important social skills. These benefits demonstrate that natural-based learning is an important part of environmental education and contributes to development of environmentally responsible young students.